Hi, Firestarter here, and welcome to my review of the SOTA Street Fighter Ken. And this is the figure. Unlike Akuma or some of the SOTA figures I've reviewed with the same gi as Ryu, this figure has a more cleaner look for Ken. As you can see, the gi doesn't have any ripped parts, unlike Akuma. Just giving a quick comparison about the gi. Akuma's gi is torn just like Ryu because of the time he practices and the wear and tear, and just like Ryu, he is a vagabond. Unlike Ken, since he can actually buy extra gis, that's why he looks like he's wearing a new gi all the time. So articulation, head, he has torso articulation, but it's hindered because of the gi. You can put the gi actually on the side if you want to, but it's not recommended. And swivel on the shoulders, swivel over here, single jointed elbow, a rotating hand. You can rotate that, and a swivel over here. On the crotch area there's a hinge, double jointed knee, single joint on the ankle. There's also, just like Akuma, he has hinge in the middle of the feet or the foot, and hinge on a toe. There's no huge difference when it comes to articulation with Akuma. Give you a closer and a quick tour of, just giving you a profile of Ken Masters. So Ken is much cooler with his effects part. He has the Soryuken effects part. This is translucent plastic, but you can see there's a hand etched inside, so meaning you can easily place the hand inside the effect part, and you can pose him in a way that you're doing the same thing as what you see in the game, which is his dragon punch. So, oh, sorry, oh, that's cool. Extra head. This time he has a greening face. I don't like the look actually. And his hair is longer than the default head. So he has a ribbon, yellow ribbon at the back. I'm not using this because it hinders in a way on the head articulation when I replace this head with this head. I mean, replace with this head with this head. What am I talking about? See, it's cool. Another pair of accessories is the thumbs up for thumbs up hand or thumbs down. It depends on you. And come here finger. I call this one come here finger, or the hand that he uses to taunt his opponents in Street Fighter. Come here, come here, come here. So just like other Street Fighter fans, a lot of people do like the Ken Masters figure. Just be wary that once you open this one and place on your desk for a long time, the paint, just like my other SOTA figures, the paint does chip off. So try to place this person try to place this figure in a cool, ample temperature so it won't flake off. So definitely he is a keeper for your Street Fighter collection. What's Street Fighter without Ken? So there you go. If you want to know the possibilities for this figure, do check out the photos at the end of the video, and do subscribe to my blogspot, Facebook, Twitter for my full written review. Again, this is Firestarter. Thank you and bye. Punch!